everyone, this video is about how to reserve inventory for Shopee promotion. When a product successfully participates in Shopee's shocking sale, you need to reserve inventory for it. Step 1. Be sure to turn on the inventory feature and map relationship between store SKUs and merchant SKUs. Step 2. Go to Reserved Inventory. Click on Scenic Promotions automatically. Turn on this feature. It will auto-scenic flash sales info and products in promotion to BigSeller, and no need to create manually. If you do not turn on this feature, BigSeller will not be able to auto-scenic promotion info. Step 3. Check the promotion info and products. Go to Reserved Inventory. Click on Shopee. Yes, we can see the promotion and products. We need to confirm reserved inventory. The status is ongoing. Promotion does not support editing reserved inventory. Okay, now click the upcoming edit icon. Okay, we can select warehouse in here, and the warehouse cannot be changed after clicking confirm. Then fill in the reserved quantity. 5. And the extend 24 hours. It means it is recommended to select it to avoid failure in using promotion reserved stock due to untimely orders. Or done, we can click confirm. If there are multiple products participating in promotion, you need to click edit one by one to confirm the reserved inventory. Okay, all done. After the promotion starts, BigSeller will auto-allocate reserved inventory for promotional orders. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any question, please contact us.